question we are given three expressions in x. One of them is 8x minus 13, the second one is 4x plus 15, and the third one is 2x plus 12. And we are required to find out the integral values of x for which the three of these form a sides of a triangle. The three of them will form sides of a triangle when a, all of them are positive. Second, if the sum of two of these numbers is greater than the third number a. That is the definition of being sides of a triangle. If you look at any triangle, if you add up the sum of any two sides, it will be greater than the third side. So if you assume that this is A, B and C, the sum of any of these two sides will be definitely greater than the third side. So over here we have to consider three cases. The first one is if all of them have to be positive, we'll figure out the cases. The second one is if say 2x plus 12 is the largest side. The second one is that 4x plus 15 is the largest side, and the third one is when 8x minus 13 is the largest side. Essentially what we are saying is, in the first case, 8x minus 13 plus 4x plus 15 has to be greater than 2x plus 12. That is, the sum of one pair of two sides is greater than the third side. If you simplify the left hand side, this would imply that this is 12x plus 12, 12x plus 2 is greater than 2x plus 12, or 10x has to be greater than 10, or x has to be strictly greater than 1. This is the implication of the first inequality. The second one says that if you add up the first and the third sides, it should be greater than the second side. Or this would imply that 8x minus 13 plus 2x plus 12 has to be definitely greater than 4x plus 15. Or if you simplify the left hand side, this is 10x minus 1 has to be greater than 4x plus 15. Or this would imply that 6x is greater than 16, or x has to be strictly greater than 8 by 3, which is 16 by 6. In the third scenario, you want the sum of the second and the third sides to be greater than the first side. So 4x plus 15 plus 2x plus 12 has to be strictly greater than 8x minus 13. Or if you simplify this, this would imply that 6x plus 27 is greater than 8x minus 13. Or this would imply that 2x has to be strictly less than 40, or x has to be strictly less than 20. So x has to be definitely greater than 8 by 3 and x has to be less than 20. So the values of x, because we are only looking for integral values, are 3, 4, 5, till 19. Note that for all of these values, 4x plus 15 and 2x plus 12 will definitely be positive because x is positive. Even 8x minus 13 will be positive because x is greater than or equal to 3. In that case, 8x minus 13 will be positive. So all of them are definitely positive. So the number of integral values that x can take are from 3 to 19. So if you sum them up, there will be a total of 17 integral values. So the correct answer is 17.